appreciate the Divine Beauty Bar. They were so professional and courteous and kind during the whole process of prior to getting the wig, with getting the measurements, and just maintaining communication along the way. I really appreciated that, and I did like the way that she securely braided my hair down prior to installing the unit. But the unit is very secure and it's really beautiful. It fits, it's exactly what I wanted, and I do appreciate that. The hair is of very good quality. It doesn't feel like it's like synthetic, none whatsoever. Definitely, I can feel the benefit of getting something that's quality hair. And I appreciate working with these ladies, especially being a veteran and dealing with the VA. We always have had problems in the past, and it's great to finally come across a professional business sense-minded women who are out here trying to assist other women out here who have alopecia problems, because we have a hard time finding beauticians or hairstylists who know how to maintain and help to keep the hair healthy, but at the same time maintaining our alopecia so that we're not getting worse. So I appreciate you ladies from Divine Beauty Bar, and I suggest if you are able to get with them that you allow them to service you as well. Thanks.